Hello, magnificent guest, and today I want to show you how you can refresh your component. So let's look at our use case. I will usually have this at work, so I will have like a big form. In our case, it will be just two inputs, just to show you. And when the user enters something, sometimes he wants to reset this form, and we need to get all the data back from the server, and also it's much more complex. It's a lot of subscription and so on. So if we look into our code, we will have just in ng on init, we'll have load data that we will return default values. For the dog, it's corgi, and for the food, it's pizza. So, and if we navigate to our component HTML, we'll have a button, and on click, we want to reset our component. So what we first need to do, we need to import router, and we need to import root. Activated root. And then in the reset page, what we can do, we can actually redefine router. So root reuse strategy, we will redefine should reuse root. And in this case, we need to pass a function that we will return false. This will say that we don't want to reuse root. And the second, what we need to do is we will say this router, and on same URL navigation, because we will navigate to the same page, we will say that we want it to reload. And now we will navigate to our router, to our page. So we will say our router, navigate, and here we will use the same root. And now we will say relative to this root. So basically we are navigating to the same root. Let's check what we have. So now when the user inputs something and then presses reset, as you can see, the page is refreshing. Also, what you can do is, if you don't like to pass this on same root URL navigation, we can delete this line and navigate to our app routing module, and we can pass this parameter here. So should on same URL navigation, and we can pass reload. So if we go back to our page, and if we try to change something and reset, everything works. And the last thing, usually what you will have, you will have like here, you will have like query parameters. So for example, it will be form with ID 1. And if we press right now reset, it will remove it. We want to save it because it's usually you load some data because of these query parameters. So what we can do, we will say query params handling and merge. And now when we navigate back to the page, and when we have like ID, and when we press reset, it will be there, and it will also reset the page. So that's it. So have a great day and try to learn something new every day. Bye.